Summer jam. Come on, you know you want this. You know what I'm saying? Talking about Billy, Giovanni, D. That's right. Woo.
Love is so special to me. Keeps me warm. Not only on the outside, on the inside too, yes.
On the inside too, oh yeah.
It's such a great feeling, such a great feeling, baby, to know someone cares, yeah. Someone you can trust and know, be right there, yeah.
Take it to the bridge, yeah.
'Cause once you let her go, you'll find she's a taking a part of me till she returns. Oh, baby girl, I'll be waiting right here, yeah.
Oh, say what?
Waiting right here, waiting right here, baby. All on my own.
Come on. So please keep me. That's what I'm talking about, man. Love is. Check it. Verse 2.
People may say,
People may say, yeah.
that we're too young to know the meaning of love. Yeah. Love is the answer. Baby, don't you know love is the answer to right now of the problems of today.
That's right. Love is real. 'Cause God is love.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
'Cause once you let love go, you'll find she's taking a part of me till she returns. Oh, alright, I'll be waiting. I don't practice Santeria. I ain't got no crystal ball. I had $1 million, but I'd spend it all if I could find that Hannah in that Sancho that she's bound. Well, I'd pop a cap in Sancho and I'd slap her down. But I really wanna know, baby. But I really wanna say I can't define. Well, it's love that I lead. Oh, my soul will have to wait till I get see strong motion, but we are still one in heart, and we will remain strong. Because we are who we are, from little island yet so far. Don't let no one dictate what you're gonna be. Don't be ashamed of your nationality. Hey, yeah, keep your culture, brothers and sisters. Keep your culture. Polynesia, keep your culture, brothers and sisters, keep your culture. Polynesia, we stand as one strong and proud of this culture that we have. Like warriors with athletes, never back down, no retreat. From the struggles that we face to be saved by the Lord's grace. Marching forward, eyes on the prize. We unite and together we'll rise. Don't let no one dictate what you're gonna be. Don't be ashamed of your nationality. Hey, yeah, keep your culture, brothers and sisters. Keep your culture. Polynesia, keep your culture, brothers and sisters, keep your culture. Polynesia. Keep your culture, brothers and sisters. Keep your culture. Polynesia. Keep your culture. Keep your culture. Brothers and sisters. Keep your culture. Keep your culture. Micronesia. Keep your culture. Keep your culture. You got to keep your culture. Brothers and sisters. For the next generations come. You got to keep it now. Keep your culture. Keep your culture. You got to keep your brothers and sisters. For the next generations come. You got to keep it now. You got to keep it now. Keep your culture, brothers and sisters. Brothers and sisters. Keep your culture. Keep your culture. Polynesia. Keep your culture. Keep your culture. Brothers and sisters. Keep your culture. Keep your culture. Keep your culture. Brothers and sisters. Keep your culture.
one that's dear to my heart, the award. This is the deadliest Pukana award that city shivers down the spine of the Grim Reaper. Yeah. It goes to this year, Jamie Lambert. This award is in the apotheosis. This is the royal decoration for the genius of undying royalty and inspiration to the glorified army of Sparta. It goes to two generals, Howie and Jay.
Don't give them chocolate. You've got a shit.
Let's just slip them. Most consecutive boo-boos in a row. Syrian Henry. The best pelvic thrust of Titanic goes to Happy Mike.
Titanic.
Last award for tonight. This is the absolute consistent consummate performer. When I mean consummate performer, that this person brings it every time, whether we're going quiet or full. Consummate meaning from whakaeke to whakawatea, a portrayal of each item and animation of everything is always on, and a good role model to all of us. And next, Aroha.
forget your family, yeah. Don't forget your roots, my friend. The ones who made you, the ones who brought you here. Don't forget your roots, my friend, yeah. Don't forget your family, yeah. Don't forget your roots, my friends, yeah. Whoa, yeah. So Johnny was a good man, armed with the power of his homeland, and with his lace tight, the ticket in his hand, never to return home again. And so he lost what he knows and what all is right for a broken world. On the right track, mates at the gate as she walked away, never to look back again. So she lost what she knows and what all is right for a real image in a world of lies. But the days were numbered, relationships suffered. She lost the faith of all those who matter. So don't forget your roots, my friend, yeah. Don't forget your family, yeah. Don't forget your roots, my friend. The ones who gave you, the ones who brought you here. Don't forget your roots, my friend, yeah. Don't forget your family, yeah. Don't forget your roots, my friend, yeah. Whoa. Forget your family, yeah. Don't forget your roots, my friend. The ones who made you, the ones who brought you here. Don't forget your roots, my friend, yeah. Don't forget your family, yeah. Don't forget your roots, my friend, yeah. If you ever change your mind about leaving me behind, oh, bring it to me. Bring your sweet loving. Bring it on home to me. Son, if your woman's thinking about leaving you, what would you do to get her back? Or what would you do?
Are you talking to me?
Yeah.
Oh, Brown, I ain't got too much to say about that, man. I let my harmonica talk for me, just like this.
Washington, bring 'em home.
You know I tried to treat her right.
Oh, did you, man?
But she stayed out late at night. But I'll forgive her. Bring it to me. Bring your sweet loving. Bring it back home to me, baby. Yeah.
Well, I was kind of a wondering whether you could help me with the problem that will kind of make her screaming. It's a problem that I base the time, a place, and never the coming and bringing it back and hipping and having a drum and a bass and yo go. I do what you wanna go quick and jump in the bumper to my groove like my poker. Stick up, flicker to a flavor. Beat you rocking harder than a brick to a layer. Ease up, mother brown, put your knees up. But can you be flipping and kicking like a Bruce Lee? Beat you, glad you beat you, wanna take it and teach the shallow beat you, gonna eat you like a cream puff. 'Cause I can't get enough. For his, for better, for worse, for what it's worth, second verse, the first curse upon the earth, mixing up a storm, brewing up a tornado.
Having an abundance of platonic relationships reminiscent of my man Mike Plato.
I was running down the street just screaming, I was blind, but I lost my voice.